You, it's on.
Hmm?
It's on.
Morning.
Now the wind blows.
Yeah, now the wind blows. Alright, this post is leaning over. I need to jack it back to that one corner there. And I've got a ratchet strap on it now holding it
Right.
in place.
And what you're doing is you're going to put turnbuckles.
Yeah, I'm going to put a turnbuckle on it
Right.
where we can adjust it.
Well, and also these gates are so heavy. These are the ones that we made with square tubing and all new. And the posts are not new. That we, they're attached. They're still the older posts. They're not rotted, but they've got a lot of years on them. So we want to make sure that the post, the gates, the fence all looks good and stays looking nice. We don't want any warpage. And so by putting a turnbuckle, that keeps everything, going in the right direction and held in the right direction. Does that make sense?
Yep.
That's the layman's term.
Yeah, it just holds it up.
Yep.
Kind of like plastic surgery for a fence.
Yeah, plastic surgery for a fence. That'll work. And that's a coated wire.
Yeah, so there won't be no wire splinters or anything.
Right, and it won't rust. It won't rust on the fence. And is what you're fastening down right now, the U-joints, I guess you'd call them, I'm sure.
U-clamps.
U-clamps, yeah. It's not a car, it's a U-clamp. They're what, galvanized?
Yeah.
So they're not going to rust. Hang on a minute, let's put it down. Okay. This is the last thing we had to do for these gates.
Well, I knew that when I hung it, it was going to have to be. But
Now you're giving it a little bit more,
yeah,
so
I'm
you'll,
gonna give it
a lot more.
I'll just cut it out of the middle. Give me another U-clamps.
Got them in my pocket. Yeah, these are the U-clamps. They look just like a U-joint.
No, they don't.
Sort of.
No. U-joints made to pivot. This don't spin around.
Oh, that's true. Now you're going to get it all up there and then cut what you don't need.
Yep.
That's always a good practice.
When I put the turnbuckle in the middle,
And you want
another back.
I mean, you can have another nut. We'll get. You found it?
Yep.
It's so pretty today. The sun is shining. I know we'll still have some bad weather, but we got 50 days till spring. So if anyone's counting down, 50 days till spring. Next, it's what, in the 40s today and tomorrow? Next week's going to be in
50s.
Is it the 50s? Oh, okay. I didn't catch all the weather. Next week it's going to be in the 60s. So typical East Tennessee weather. We'll have a really bad cold snap in January, and then it starts warming up, and then
We'll have another cold snap.
yeah, we'll have another
February.
cold snap. And if the old folklore, you've got, what is it, blackberry winter and dogwood winter and all these Indian summer, you name it. You've got all these different things that you go through. So right about the early Easter or early spring, right when dogwoods come out and the redbuds come out, and you'll have redbud winter, you'll have dogwood winter. Now I still don't know how a turnbuckle works, so that's going to be something.
Get up off of me.
Well, sorry, just trying to see what she's doing. You got your wire.
Yeah.
That's your turnbuckle. Are you expanding it out so far?
Yep.
So what other things could you do this on? This kind of an application.
Any kind of chain link metal fence. You could actually hook it on a gate, each end of the gate, and crank it up.
That way the gate would shut automatic, shut or hold it
That
closed.
would hold it up.
Oh, okay. And you're just adjusting it out right now?
Yep.
Your shirt looks terrible. You'd think I didn't do laundry.
You don't.
I do. You just like to wear clothes that don't clean good. Maybe some of his pool stuff.
I need
My hand.
Huh?
You need me to hold that? No.
Need my pliers.
Pliers. Where are you? Oh, they're over here. Pliers. That's some tough wire.
No, I don't need that.
Oh, okay. And now they're you.
I need a nut off of it. You're going to have to start bringing a tripod or something.
I know.
You're about useless if you can't do nothing.
I'm not useless.
You know what happens to useless things?
I guess stay home.
Nope.
I think so. Get fired?
Yep.
Okay, I can go stay home.
Nope. You're going to have to hold that.
Trying to do all this, even by yourself, would be hard.
Mm-hmm.
Does it go on a certain way?
It does.
And that wire's got to be squeezed in tight enough for it to go in a certain way. Correct?
Yeah.
That's a thick, fairly thick wire. Reminds me of doing the electrical wiring, trying to get everything squeezed into an electrical nut.
Yeah. Or a box.
Yeah, in the box and stuff. It seems like nothing's easy. You know, usually if it's easy, then something's wrong. If something goes on easy, something's wrong. Now you need your wrench. For some reason, I thought the wire would be solid all the way through. I didn't think you'd be cutting it
Yeah. Well, you can get a turnbuckle in here and stuff.
to do it that way.
Lots of.
Do they make turnbuckles that
Nope.
they don't make them that the wire's solid or chain? Do they make chain turnbuckles?
I'd say you could. You put a turnbuckle on about anything.
Seems like the turnbuckle kind of reminds me of a concept of a come-along.
Yeah, it's just something where you can adjust it.
Right. And now, and that's got a loop. You still are going to put still got to do that last little thing. Do you want me to hold the wire?
You're going to have to put that phone down for a minute.
Okay, well, I'm going to put the phone down. All right. He needed my help to hold the wires in place. So he's put this other U over here. He's got this turnbuckle. Now he's just tightening it up.
You can do that right there.
Okay. You notice like it's squeezing everything in. Now it's kind of it's twisting this wire a little bit. Okay. So now once you take that strap, we'll see if it holds. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Take that strap off. It went down a little bit, but I think you can keep adjusting.
I can adjust it up.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw a little, just a little down. Not bad. And then he'll come back and cut this extra wire off. That's extra wire, ain't it?
Look at that, yeah.
Okay. Needs to come up. Keep going. I'm looking at this little gap right there. One or two more.
Hold on to it. It's turning it.
Okay. Oh, Man, if that should break. You talk about.
Okay.
All right, now go check the door again. It's all these little adjustments. Looks good.
Yep. That's where it should be.
Now,
And you can always
I
suck it in if you need to later.
I start to say, as the weather changes, your position, you know, the wind, everything makes a big difference in all of this. A big windstorm may not knock a post loose. You may have to come in and readjust, but they're made to be adjustable. Correct? Well, it's just showing you this turnbuckle system. And is there any reason why you went to the high, just high points to low points?
Well, that's the way I'm pulling at the top of the post.
Okay. If it was
pulled up there, you just pull the whole thing over.
I started to say, depending on which way it needed to be pulled, right?
Yep.
So on this occasion, that top needed to be pulled back or pulled this way. So that way, that's why he's pulling from the top down. This same system could be used, maybe keeping a tension on a chain link fence, pulling left or right. So there's so many ways you can use this. Well, this fence is repaired. Gates are built. Yeah, all the gates are built. They're up. They're working. They work good. I mean, just nice latches. Everything works good on those. Gates. There's another one around the corner. So this was the big gates because it covers the pool pump and all. The walk gate over here turned out great. He's able to open it all the way back if need be. We put a little latch here. It's got a little simple system. It runs through the bungee runs through the round eye hoop, and someone's coming in, got the arms full, the door shuts automatically. And it does stop here at a bumper. That way the door doesn't slam back and forth. But everything turned out really good.
I'm not let that stretch to the wind.
Now, just simple as can be.
Alright, I'm gonna need you to put it back on that one.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end this for now. Come closer to spring, we'll be coming back and we'll be pressure washing and staining, making it all look one way. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and close. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.